Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is extremely creative and unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful design ideas, patterns of formal dresses, of party wear, of bodycon dresses, of very beautiful and exquisitely designed patterns with the help of hand art closer to the nature, inspired by nature embroidery patterns are very beautiful and a very creative design ideas related to western style, related to eastern style, bodycon dresses, full length dresses, maxi dresses, gowns, and many more creativities as per your choices. As in my previous videos, all of you were commenting and asking me to share some very beautiful, creative, and different type of party wear casual dresses that are being designed with the help of hand art, needlework. So this video collection is, guys, absolutely for you. Do watch the video and get amazingly stylish, handmade, handcrafted attire, and do try these patterns and make your designer dress by sitting at your home just watching these designs and save many dollar of yours by just following these beautiful design patterns. I hope that you like the design ideas, you have liked our entire video, and the video gives exquisitely amazing ideas. And do try this pattern and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to leave comments to let us know what you feel about our video and what you feel about our content. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait for the new upcoming videos. Stay tuned.